N.S. Missour is a Congress worker. In fact, he is the former vice president of the Congress Youth Wing, the Youth Congress. Interestingly, when this Ganageetam came, he took out to Facebook and stated an different aspect which no other leader has stated. Let's hear about it. So you have in fact stated that the song is nice, the children sang well. Can you tell us why you wrote that on Facebook?
Actually, I think that is not a Ganageetam. It is a patriotic song. Because in my childhood days,
Okay.
I participated so many programs in the competition, the school youth festival. But at that time, I'm also working in Bharat Scout and Gates. I'm a scout, Rashtrapati Award holder. At that time, in the campfire, night campfire is also there. At that time, we participated. We have sung that song as a patriotic song.
Okay.
So I understood that is a patriotic song only. That is not Ganageetam. RSS always RSS took so many items from anywhere, and that is running to their level.
You're saying RSS cannot claim this song as their. That is what you're saying. This is not an RSS song; it's a patriotic song.
Yeah, only this is a patriotic song. We can check that lyrics. And about Bhagat Singh, Jhansi Rani, Swami Vivekananda, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Sri Narayana Guru. They are not RSS. They are only the what I think Bhagat Singh. Is it that is a RSS leader? No.
The obvious question to you will be like, this is not the stance the leaders in the Congress party is taking. They have called out that RSS is trying to push the propaganda and they are trying to enter into the government institution. Now, you are taking a different stand. Do you think you will be in trouble because of this?
You see, now I speak about my personal stand. There speak the political stand. I know I already I have sung this song in every stages. Is it?
I don't know. Can you sing the song for us?
Yeah, I try. Parama pavitramidami mannil Bharadambaye പൂജിക്കാൻ പുണ്യവാഹിനി സേജനമേൽക്കും പൂങ്കാവനങ്ങളുണ്ടിവിടെ ഇലയും മുള്ളും പൂവും മൊട്ടും ഇരുത്തെടുത്താൽ പിച്ചിടാം ഇലയും മുള്ളും പൂവും മൊട്ടും ഇരുത്തെടുത്താൽ പിച്ചിടാം തലകുമ്പിട്ടു തളിർപ്പൂഞ്ഞട്ടുകൾ തഴച്ചു വളരുന്നുണ്ടിവിടെ ഭഗത് സിംഗനും ഝാൻസിയും ഇവിടെ പ്രഭാത പേരി മുഴക്കുന്നു.
So you could still be in trouble for singing a RSS song. Many of your leaders, you're ready to face it.
I told you this is the patriotic song.
Okay, it's a
I'm
patriotic.
a congressman and I have Congress ideology. I'm a Muslim. Huh? That's I can't follow the RSS ideology. I'm a congressman. I know this is a patriotic song. I always stand about this.
All right. So very interesting stance by this congressman N.S. Missour, who has stated that this is purely a patriotic song, and in fact, this is an NDTV exclusive. Ashananda Kumar for NDTV, Thiruvananthapuram.